In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft OneNote notebook into Google Keep. We'll walk through a quick and reliable way to move your notes using simple copy and paste. There isn't a built-in one-click export from OneNote to Google Keep, but this approach works well for plain text and helps you keep your thoughts organized across both platforms. Start by opening your notebook in OneNote. You can use the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Navigate to the specific page or section you want to move. Take a moment to scan the content so you know what you're transferring. This method is best for text-based notes. Rich formatting like tables, large headers, or embedded files won't carry over exactly. Images and attachments typically won't move with a simple paste, so focus on the text you need. Select the content you want to bring over. You can drag your cursor to highlight just a portion or use Select All if you want the whole page. Once it's highlighted, copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. That puts everything on your clipboard and ready to go. Now open Google Keep either in your web browser at keep.google.com or in the mobile app. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want the notes to live. On the main screen, you'll see the area to start a new note. Click or tap where it says, "Take a note to create a fresh note." With the new note active, paste the content you copied from OneNote using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Google Keep will instantly drop your text into the note and save it automatically. Expect the formatting to simplify, headings become regular text, fonts and sizes normalize, and complex layouts flatten. Line breaks and basic spacing usually come through cleanly, so your note should remain readable and easy to scan. If your OneNote page was very long, consider transferring it in manageable chunks so each Keep note stays focused. After pasting, glance through the note to confirm everything important is present. This is a good moment to ensure key points are visible and that any lists or spacing look the way you want in Keep's simpler style. Repeat the same copy and paste flow for any other pages or sections you want to bring over. Open the next OneNote page, copy the text, create a new note in Keep, and paste. In just a few passes, you'll have your essential OneNote content mirrored in Google Keep, ready for quick access and lightweight editing across your devices.